How to fix YouTube subtitles not appearing. So here we can see I'm playing a YouTube video on my phone, and to make the subtitles appear, I need to press the CC symbol right here, and there you go. As you can see, I've turned on the subtitles. Now if the subtitles don't work, you may have to hold them and then change from English to auto translate, and then find English again if English isn't the first language that comes up. If this doesn't work and you're having trouble finding the CC symbol at all, you need to head out of YouTube and force close it through the history, and then open up the App Store and search up YouTube again. And make sure that the YouTube app is updated. So here I'm just gonna click update. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.